Forex.com Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how Forex trading platforms have improved in 2024. Forex.com promises advanced tools, competitive spreads, and global market access, but is it the right platform for you? The surprising truth is versatility. Most people get this wrong by thinking Forex trading is only for professionals. Forex.com provides both beginner-friendly and advanced trading platforms, including web, mobile, and desktop versions with real-time charts, technical indicators, and risk management tools. One major advantage is market access. You won't believe what happens next when you see Forex.com offers over 90 currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios efficiently. Platform also emphasizes regulation and security. Forex.com is fully regulated in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring client funds are protected and trading practices are transparent. However, there are cons. Spreads and commissions vary by account type, and advanced tools may overwhelm beginners. That form may also require a higher minimum deposit for full feature access, and trading involves significant risk of loss. In conclusion, Forex.com in 2024 is ideal for traders seeking a reliable, versatile, and regulated platform. While complexity and costs are considerations, the combination of market variety, advanced tools, and secure trading environment makes Forex.com a strong choice for both new and experienced Forex traders.